Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, today I've got something every student and casual user will love it. The OnePlus Pad Lite. And here's something cool. It's the tablet with the biggest battery in the entire 10,000 to 20,000 price segment by OnePlus. It's light, powerful, and built perfect for student, entertainment lovers, and everyday multitaskers. Let's unbox it, test it, and see what makes OnePlus tablet stands out from the crowd. But before that guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. See, when it comes to unboxing, we do have that classic packaging of OnePlus, red box, neat presentation, and right on the top, the tablet itself. This tablet comes in single color, which is Aero blue color, and it do looks premium. Feels soft matte at back, and it's surprisingly light, just weighing around 530 grams. Inside the box, we get some documents, a SIM rejector tool, and yes guys, the variant which I have is 4G compatible, so you can use the SIM card on this. You also get USB Type A to Type C cable and a 33-watt fast charging. Nice to see, even in 2025 we are getting chargers inside the box. This is an 11-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio. You get 90Hz refresh rate, 500 nits of brightness. It's vibrant, crisp, and surprisingly smooth for this price. You'll love this for studying PDFs, watching Netflix, or attending classes. It just feels bigger but better than a phone. And thanks to TUV, blue light, and flicker-free certification, your eyes stays comfortable during long sessions. So to quickly recap the top features, you get a vibrant 11-inch display, split-screen multimedia support, and sharp Full HD Plus resolution, all tuned for smooth performance and eye comfort. The quad speaker setup with high-res audio is really impressive. It adapts based on how you hold the tablet, left to right stereos when in landscape, top to bottom when in portrait, and it fills the room with sound that's clear and rich. For the tablet under 16,000, this is pure value. And here's where OnePlus Pad Lite really stands out. The biggest battery in the range of 10 to 20,000 price bracket. Inside it runs MediaTek Helio G100 with OxygenOS 15.0.1. And guys, it's not made for hardcore game, but for what it's meant to be. Browsing, classes, video calls, reading, watching YouTube, it's super smooth and snappy. The tablet also supports Open Canva, so you can split the application side by side, maybe taking notes while watching lecture. And you have this nice two-finger slide gesture to open canvas mode. The 9340 mAh battery is actually a beast on this tablet. You can easily expect around 9 to 10 hours of video playback or a full day mix use. But I would say due to the 33-watt SuperVOOC charger, charging is not that fast what you have seen on other OnePlus smartphones. And we can understand the huge battery size, but if OnePlus would have provided slightly more higher watt charger, then it would have been really great. Both front and rear cameras are 5 megapixel. Simple but effective. The front camera is perfect for video calls or online classes, while the rear one works well for scanning documents or clicking quick shots. In daylight, the clarity is decent. Low light, of course, it's not its strength, but that's expected in this price segment. So for your meeting, study sessions, and general tasks, it does the job perfect. See, I also tested out few games including BGMI, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact. See, as I told you guys earlier, it's not meant for hardcore gamers, and while gaming for longer hours, you will obviously see slight frame drop. So basically, if it's not meant for that purpose, we did not test out much, but casual gaming you can easily do in this device. The 90Hz display and 180Hz touch sampling makes response snappy, and battery drain during sessions is controlled. And tablet also stays cool. I did not see tablet getting heated up much thanks to effective power management. So casual gamers and students who play occasionally will enjoy this device. But for hardcore gamers, you do have better options available. Now talking about the connectivity, so here I would say OnePlus really shines due to the integration of ecosystem. The Pad Lite now syncs beautifully with your OnePlus smartphones. You can do screen mirroring, which lets you project your phone onto the tablet. You have clipboard sharing, and shared gallery keeps content in sync. You also get things like quick share, which even works offline. And yes, the LTE variant supports SIM, but here I would suggest something to people who already have OnePlus smartphones. See, due to their ecosystem, you don't require a tablet of OnePlus which do have SIM support. So if you have a phone of OnePlus, then you do get all the features. The ecosystem is so beautifully done that you can use this feature called call sharing. I mean, if you don't buy the LTE variant. So if you are getting any call on your device, you can receive that call on your pad also. And similar way, you can do other stuff like you can share the SMS and also the mobile data sharing. So this is one thing which I really like about OnePlus when it comes to ecosystem. OnePlus have also added this thoughtful kids mode with Google's Kids Space. Parents can control screen time, app access, where the tablet automatically enables eye protection mode for safe viewing. perfect for family use. And currently there are festival offers going on. OnePlus is running a special festival from 10th October to 26th October where you can grab the OnePlus Pad Lite at an effective price of 12,999 and get free OnePlus Buds Z3, which is a neckband, and you can avail all these offers on Amazon, Flipkart and even OnePlus Experience Center. So if you're planning to buy OnePlus Pad, this is the perfect time for you guys. So the 6GB plus 128GB Wi-Fi model comes at 13,999 and 8 128GB LTE version comes with SIM support that's priced at 15,999. For this price, you are getting smooth 90Hz display, quad speakers, a big battery, decent camera, 4G support and the reliable OxygenOS experience. It's honestly the best all-rounder budget tablet you can buy right now, especially for students, casual users or family. So what do you guys have to say about this OnePlus Pad Lite? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And this is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.